Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a truck that's more than just a vehicle. It's a revival of an iconic legacy. The 2025 Chevrolet 3100 is here, blending timeless design with cutting-edge technology. And we're here to explore every inch of it. So buckle up and join me as we take a closer look at this modern marvel that pays homage to a classic. At first glance, the 2025 Chevrolet 3100 is an absolute showstopper. It's a bold reimagining of the classic 3100 pickup from the mid-20th century. You can see how Chevrolet has carefully retained the soul of the original design while updating it for today's world. The front of the truck is a blend of nostalgia and innovation. The retro-inspired grille instantly reminds you of its heritage, but it's been modernized with sleek chrome accents and integrated LED headlights that offer a futuristic yet timeless vibe. The daytime running lights, designed in a unique, almost halo-like pattern, are sure to catch attention no matter where you go. Moving along the side, you'll notice the smooth, sculpted body lines that give the truck a muscular yet elegant look. The fenders are slightly flared, paying tribute to the original 3100 design, while the large alloy wheels and modern side mirrors bring it firmly into 2025. The extended cab option makes it practical for both work and leisure, and the bed is lined with durable materials that can withstand the toughest tasks. Whether you're hauling equipment or simply heading out for an adventure, this truck has you covered. The rear of the Chevrolet 3100 is just as impressive. The tailgate features subtle branding with the Chevrolet logo embossed for a clean and premium look. The taillights are slim and angular, providing a sharp contrast to the rounded edges of the truck's body. And let's not forget the practical touches, like the step built into the bumper, making it easy to access the bed, and the optional power-operated tailgate for added convenience. Now, stepping into the cabin, you're greeted by a blend of luxury and functionality. The 2025 Chevrolet 3100's interior is a testament to how far trucks have come. The seats are upholstered in premium leather, with contrast stitching that adds a touch of sophistication. Both the driver and passenger seats are power adjustable and heated, ensuring maximum comfort regardless of the weather. The dashboard is a perfect balance of analog charm and digital innovation. A large touchscreen infotainment system takes center stage, offering seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Below it, you'll find physical knobs and buttons for climate control, which are a nod to the simplicity of older trucks. The driver's display is fully digital and customizable, allowing you to prioritize information like navigation, performance stats, or safety alerts. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather and features mounted controls for added convenience. The cabin is also surprisingly spacious, with plenty of legroom in the back for passengers or additional storage if you're using this as a work truck. Practical touches like multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and ample cup holders make this truck ready for modern life. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Chevrolet 3100 does not disappoint. Under the hood, you have the option of a robust V6 or a more powerful V8 engine, both paired with a smooth 10-inch speed automatic transmission. The truck delivers impressive torque, making it ideal for towing and hauling, while the adaptive suspension ensures a comfortable ride whether you're on city streets or off-road trails. Chevrolet has also equipped the 3100 with multiple drive modes, allowing you to optimize performance for various terrains and weather conditions. And thanks to modern engineering, the fuel efficiency is respectable for a truck of this size, giving you the best of power and practicality. As for pricing, the 2025 Chevrolet 3100 starts at a competitive base price, making it accessible for a wide range of buyers. However, if you want all the bells and whistles like the top-tier trim with advanced safety features, premium materials, and off-road capabilities, you'll be looking at a higher price tag. It's a small price to pay for a truck that offers so much versatility and style. So, what do we think of the 2025 Chevrolet 3100? It's more than just a truck, it's a statement. It's for those who appreciate the heritage of classic pickups but don't want to compromise on modern technology and comfort. Whether you're looking for a reliable workhorse, a stylish daily driver, or something that does it all, the Chevrolet 3100 ticks every box. Thanks for joining me on this in-depth review of the 2025 Chevrolet 3100. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more car reviews. Let me know in the comments, would you consider driving this modern classic? Until next time, stay safe and keep driving.